Heyo everyone, it's me Rachu back with a very special video for some very special people. This Sunday is Mother's Day and I thought I would do a video celebrating my mom and all moms with a fun, easy origami project that you can do at home. All you need is a lightweight paper like sketch paper, a paper cutter, a ruler, a pencil, and some glue. If you don't have a paper cutter, scissors will do just as well. The paper I used was Strathmore sketch paper, and it performed very well considering I put a light watercolor wash over it. The first step of this process is to cut 6 10 by 10 centimeter squares. These will become your flower petals. This step is pretty straightforward, but I can't stress enough the importance of getting your squares as perfect as you can. It will help you immensely when you start folding. If you want to make a smaller flower, I do recommend that you don't go below an 8 centimeter square. Only because the smaller size made some of the steps a little harder than they had to be. I would recommend, if you wanted a smaller flower, to maybe go 9 centimeters and meet it in the middle. This is the more artistic step of the process. Design your paper however you like. For this flower, I decided to do a simple blue watercolor wash, and I put it underneath my sketchbook so it would dry flat. If you want to do a watercolor wash on your petals too, make sure to do really light strokes so that it doesn't damage the paper too much. Now for the folding. Don't be daunted, brave soul. I believe in you. If I can do it, I can assure you that you can too. If you have a pattern on your petal, make sure the design is facing inwards. That way the actual petals of the flower will have that pattern. Also, can we take a moment to appreciate this tiny little glue bottle I found at a country store and bought for $1? I love it so much. Once you finish folding your petal, glue the 2 triangular flaps together and make sure the glue is dry before going on to the next step. I made the rookie mistake of trying to open the flower petal too early, but luckily I pressed it back together before it could flop open. And when the glue is finally dry, take 2 fingers and put them in the pockets on either side of the glued part. And behold, you have your first petal! Great job! You need 5 more of those, and once you have them, you can move on to the next part, which is to glue the whole thing together. Now it's time to put your flower together. Glue the little triangle portion shown, and put another petal on top of the glue, making sure to line the petals up. Once you have glued all your petals, congrats! You have an almost finished origami flower. When the glue dries, you want to take both ends and stretch it out, and glue the final petals together. And there you have it, a beautiful origami flower you can give your mom on Mother's Day. Let me know in the comments section below what you're doing for your mom on Mother's Day. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!